Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today I am going to show you the new scoreboard commands in the Minecraft 1.7.0.2 beta. So I'll also be making a video tomorrow on how to actually get the beta, or maybe later tonight. I don't know, I'm not sure. It's 11:40 right now, so not really sure if I'll have time. But probably tomorrow I will make a video on how to actually get the beta. But really all it adds is some bug fixes. I think it adds that new mob, I forget what it's called, Phantom, I think, or something. Yeah, I think that's new to this update. But the main thing is really the scoreboard commands, which is what I will also show you. But yeah, these things I believe will, obviously they're supposed to spawn at night. If you don't sleep for a while, I believe they spawn and attack you. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they're new to this beta. But yeah, it's interesting. Okay. So now the main part of this beta and the main thing I made the video about is scoreboard commands. So for those of you, I can't even spell with this tablet, I cannot spell. For those of you who don't know, so scoreboard commands are very useful for map makers. As you can see right here, you get a bunch of different options that come up. It's not complete. They said that one of the devs said on Twitter that they're still working on implementing more features, but for now this is what they have, like PC edition. But as you can see, you can create objectives, set scores for players. So what makes this work for map makers is they can do stuff like this. So scoreboard, objectives, and then add, I believe. Oh, not capital. Add, and then dummy, and then whatever you want to call it. Or wait. Add, objective, wait. Yeah, dummy, and then whatever I want to call it. So test, alright? And then display name, or wait, no, I think it's test. Sorry, it's been a while since I think. Or wait, test dummy. That's how it works on PC, I think. Let's see. Please enable. Okay, so we have to actually enable that in the settings, I guess, because they're not done yet. So where do I enable this? Well, hey, I'll show you guys how. I didn't know this, but oh, there. I guess experimental game. What is this? Okay, guys, so I did figure it out. So you actually have to do it when you create the world. I guess you could probably edit the world as well, but when you're creating the world, make sure you go to Game, scroll down, and then activate or use experimental gameplay, and that should allow it, as you can see here. So let's load up this world, and I'll cut to it. Okay, so here we are in the game. So that is how you actually enable the scoreboards, and now this is how you use them. Let's actually do what I was trying to do. So scoreboard. Scoreboard, objectives, add, and then whatever you want to call it. So again, let's just call it test, and then dummy. So what this does is it creates an objective for us. So test. So now, like I said, what makes this so useful is you can get a command block. So once you get your command block, you just have to use the give command to give it to yourself. This is just an example. So you can do something like this. So test 4, and then at or maybe they didn't add it yet, actually. Now that I think they probably didn't, but on PC edition there's a way to test for a certain score on a player. So this could still be used for quests in a way, but like here's an example. So look here, we can do /scoreboard. If I cannot type on my tablet. Scoreboard players set. I have to spell my name with an L because that's what I put it at originally. It's just Chris, and then test, and then we can put it to whatever number we want. So let's put it at 10. Okay. So as you can see, my score is now 10. Now, if the command is working, I'm not sure. I will test it in a second. But if it does work, what you can do is you could test for the score on a player. So you can make adventure maps with this, basically, and quests, stuff like that. So if my score is 10, this command block right here can test for that score, and then if you have that score, it does something else. So, and then, it could set your score to the next. It could add 1 to your score, or set it to a different score, so another command block can test for it. Okay, so as you can see here, I tested the command in a command block, and I placed it down, put it on always active, repeating, and it does not work yet. I'm sure they will make it work because it is very important for quests to have that work in a command block, and adventure maps, stuff like that, like I mentioned earlier. But as you can see, it's a syntax error, so currently does not work unless they change it, because that's how it works on PC edition. But yeah, it's not in yet. Hopefully it will be added soon. But if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. and if it helped you out, let me know in the comments. But yeah, if you have any questions about it, also let me know. I'll probably be making an updated video, like a full tutorial on making adventure maps, quests, and all that if they actually get this command working, and I'll probably make an adventure map of my own. So thanks for watching, and bye everyone.